Great. So, dear friends, today I just wanted to reflect with you on our educational scenario, particularly in India. As all of us know, education plays a very important role in molding the mind of young people, especially for the future of the country. But if we are sincere and we are able to look at our educational scenario critically, then we will know that we are doing a great injustice instead of doing service to the nation. In the name of giving quality education, we are in fact creating a two-tier or a three-tier or a multi-tier society. While I subscribe to the situation that each individual group has its own expectations, its own needs, and its own dreams. But at the same time, as a country, we need to at least uphold that education has to create a society that is equal, that is equitable, and that is also common to everyone. Instead, what is the situation today? Those who have money can buy the best of quality education, and those who cannot afford, they have to get satisfied with whatever education they get. The sorry state of some of our government run institutions are such that some of the students who come out of ninth standard, they cannot even read and write. Whereas of the same age group of youngsters in private institutions, they are far ahead of their own counterparts. Now, why this particular scenario? And this is one thing that we are not willing to critically look at as education providers, starting from the government to every NGO or every group that is wanting to enter into the field of education. This is my first point. Have we critically looked at the education that we give? What is the aim of education that you want to provide to the people? Secondly, I would like to appeal to the NGOs, the private organizations, especially minority institutions, like the Catholic run schools. What is the purpose of running a Catholic school? Is it to provide just information, just to increase the knowledge of the young person? That is given even in a better form by other institutions which are only after money. But if there is a Catholic institution, it has to have the objective, not just knowledge transformation, but it should be knowledge plus. What is this plus, knowledge plus? If there is not going to be a character formation of a young person, if there is not going to be a critical awareness that is inculcated in the young person with regard to the society, and if he is not going to be tutored into how he has to form the nation, I think we are not providing a holistic education to a person. Along with that, we cannot ask a young person to come out of our Catholic institution just with a degree, but he should be a human being who can respect other human beings. And he should be a person who can be a human being who can respect those who are underprivileged. And he should be a person who can respect all those groups which are marginalized. Even in a very, very special way, that nature that is being exploited. Now, I would like to also now add one more very important element, and that is, if a Catholic institution cannot give knowledge plus, particularly in bringing to the young person the greatest gift that education can offer to him or to her is that he or she is a child of God. That feeling that a child is a child of God not of nature, is the knowledge plus which the Catholic institutions have to offer. Of course, as Catholic institutions, we need to bring Christ as the center, as a source of life and energy for us. That is very true. But this needs to be inculcated in our young people. Often, religious instruction, moral instruction, social instruction, rights awareness, these are all taking a back seat in this competitive educative field. Very unfortunate. So dear friends who are listening to this particular video, I am sure you will understand when you are queuing up for admissions into certain institutions, you should also demand from those institutions moral values, religious values, social values, and values that will build up a nation and build up a human being that is your child. And do not go and ask and demand only a quality education by just stuffing your children with information. That you can do already at home if you have a very good computer and an internet facility. Because the internet offers up-to-date, enormous information which can be more than enough for a student to learn information. But if you're sending him with so much of money to an institution, a well-run Catholic institution or a private institution, then your aim, your goal should be to make sure that you demand from the institution knowledge plus. Thank you.